The beach is filled with all sorts of treasures. Like 2 dolls. It's a 2-for-1 special, especially since they're stuck together. Careful, watch the hair, watch the hair. Well, at least they're free. And now it's makeover time. Let's pop those pimples. And now you get a mask. Let the mask work its magic. Now let's see your pretty face. Let's see how our other friend is doing. Ooh, she can use a new look too. Grab an old massager. Clear it off and add shaving cream. Now it's time for a little face scrubbing. Yeah, I think you scrubbed too hard. No worries. It's right there. Just wipe it back on. And rinse off. Why don't you give us a smile? Ooh, is there a dentist in the house? Well, we can use this hygiene kit. Just look, the toothpaste sparkles. And soon, so will those teeth.
Wow!
Ooh, this doll could use a new set. Just lie her down, get some white gum, and stretch it out over that smile. Ooh, got any more of that gum? Now for a little hair care. Uh-oh, I don't think we can cover that up. So, why don't we try a blank slate? You know, the top of your head is called a crown. So let's make it your shining glory. With a bunch of rhinestone chains. She's a 24-karat golden blonde. As for your doll, well, at least this dog likes her hair. Guess it makes a nice chew toy. Well, whatever's left of it, I guess. I know. Let's grab a newspaper. Cut out some thin strips and use the scissors to curl them up. Add them up like ringlets. And soon she'll be a real curly top. Don't forget to add some color. Huh, is it me or does something smell? Yeah, I think we found the source. Empty that container. Decorate it with glitter. And jewels in nice shapes. And we can't forget the faucet or the water. 'Cause I think somebody's getting a bath. But you can't have a bath without soap and a nice brush. Of course, some people prefer to take showers. If that's the case, get some material. That could work for walls. And turn a cap into a shower head. Now we gotta install some plumbing. This straw could make a great pipe. Hook it up. And hang up a curtain. Now let's lather, rinse, and repeat. And remember, Nothing beats a good scrub-a-dub-dub. Shopping for gifts can be a lot of fun. But remember, some people prefer cash. So why don't we fold them up into strips? We can use them to make a new dress. Complete with a belt and a bow on top. Oh, Dolly, green really is your color. How about a hand for the designer? You're gonna need some clothes, too. What do we have to work with? Ooh, tin foil, and lots of it, too. Rip off a piece and make a skirt. Now cut up some plastic bubbles. For a brand new bikini top. A little more foil and look at you! Do you think she'll start a trend? Ooh, you can use a trim. And not just the dress. Jeeves, we're going to need some tape. Extra sticky. You might feel a slight pinch. You know, tape's not the only thing that's sticky. Of course, lollipops are more fun to eat. Still, if you want to give your doll smooth legs, you'll soon find that candy is dandy. It's time to give your doll a new present. Nano tape? Well, we can whip it into shape. Roll it out and add some glitter. Fold it up and make some cuts. Try them on and add some straps. And try out your new platform shoes. Now that's a lot of earwax. There's enough to make boots. How about some heels? This toothpick's 2-in-1. These boots were made for walking. Guess it's time for a little manicure. Let's clean those fingers. Now grab a glue gun. We can use it to draw out some new nails. Don't worry if they come out too long. We can cut them down to size. The final part, showing them off. Oh, it sure is windy out tonight. Who can sleep with all these free leaves? After all, if you cut them into tiny pieces, your doll's got brand new fake nails. Wow, she really is an autumn.
Wow!
Oh man, it's even getting cold inside. Nothing a faux fur coat can't fix. A new winter wardrobe's just a few cuts away. But with a little imagination, even old gum can make up your new ensemble. Just roll it out nice and thin. And it's time for the old wraparound. Don't forget to add some sleeves. And soon, she's got a new jacket. For these dolls, the world is their runway. Hey, watch out! Wow, these dolls sure are posable. Guess we need to start requiring shoes around here. Try these on. They're practically made for you. Ah, so many shoes, so little time. Especially when we can always make our own. Just need some wrap and clay. This should put some step in your step. The top part can use some sparkle. Pretty soon you'll be walking tall. Now, strike a pose. It's always fun blowing up bubbles. Especially when they don't pop so easily. Stack them up. We could make furniture. Forget air mattresses. We've got a whole couch. Why stop there? Dolly wants a new dream house. Then again, these bubbles can still be fragile. How about this? Take some clear tape, add some sparkle. And start pumping. It's not so tough making a bubble with muscle. Needs a face. Make the eyebrows extra fancy. Now you've got a brand new bubble buddy.
Yay!
Looks like he's a tough cookie. Just don't press your luck. What a cute little water cooler. But don't let the name fool you. It can dispense more than just water. Does she need a bib? Hey, don't just toss that cup. We can rebuild it, reuse it, recycle it. Especially when we can draw an elephant on it. A straw can be the trunk. Now add some fluid. Orange soda, a classic. Let the pressure work for you. Wow, you can practically taste the Florida. Here, Dolly, why not take a sip? So, where are we on those bibs? Come here, puppy. Such a good girl. You deserve a treat. Uh-oh. Bring on the pooper scooper. Hey, don't touch that. Here, you can play with this stuff instead. Fold it up. So we can make our own puppy. We just need to add a head on top. He's even got a friend. Let's dance. This should make these headphones extra soft. And if it cancels out noise, we can turn up the music. We can make more. Fill buttons with glue. Take off the bottom half of a bottle cap and stick it inside before it dries. Now, let's get this party started. 29, 30. You can take it off now. Temp tattoos are so much fun. Even your doll can try them out. But there are other ways to express yourself. Cut out your favorite shape in this pencil eraser. Add some paint, and you've got a new stamp. Why not be your very own star? When they said some items sold separately, she took it as a challenge. Time to squeeze in a fashion montage. Don't got time? Well, you need to reschedule. Or better yet, make a new outfit. With some cuts, a glove becomes jeans. Of course, she could probably use a top. Can't decide between pants or a dress? Who said you had to choose? This one's great for when you want to feel like Cinderella, but also show off your shoes. But a doll can't live on clothes alone. Jewels can really help perk up your look. Doesn't matter if it's real, just that it sparkles. Don't worry, all you need is some piercings. These staples just need some twists and turns. Now they're part of your whole ensemble. Now we're inspired. How else can we fix up your look? Shake that can and let's start spraying. Okay, you might start to feel a bit chilly. You've got a whole new dress. No sewing required.
Oh.
Anything can become fashion, even an old sock. Seriously, let's start cutting one up. We just need some slits on the side. Your brand new dress is almost ready. Just some finishing touches. Looking good. Now wave to your public. Wow, fairy wings. Well, one sprite's loss is another doll's gain. Ooh, what pretty flowers. Let's flatten them up. They'll be the perfect decoration for our new DIY fairy wings. Another layer will help seal everything up tight. Every good fairy knows that the real magic is lamination. Wow, a Pokeball! Which one's inside? A cotton ball? No, wait a second. It's Pikachu! Almost thought it was a Wooloo for a second. We could travel across the world to catch 'em one and all. Or we could make our own pocket monsters. Start with an animal. I mean, Pikachu's a mouse, right? And just make it unique, like a spider cyclops. SpongeBob won't mind us borrowing his eye. Doll Panda stuff. Catch you next time.